So guys, welcome back to my channel, and here is the chicken. Yes, it's well done. There it is, well baked and roast. Yeah, there it is. There it is, people. Yeah, well golden brown. So here I'm looking about some gravy. Yeah, fry up your onions, your tomato, your scotch bonnet pepper, a little seasoning. I use season to the bone and some ketchup. And the leftover sauce that I made in the other video, I add the rest that was left over in it. Yeah, so there it is. The gravy simmering down. Yeah, so yeah, there it is, simmering down the gravy for the chicken. And here is my lovely baked or roast chicken. Yeah, well done. There it is. Well done. So there's my rice. Steaming down. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, my rice steaming down. Almost ready, but not yet. It wants to steam down some more. Yeah, okay, so there it is in the pot, steaming down. Yeah, looks so good. And here is my gravy, almost ready. There it is. Has to get some more body, cause yeah, I like my gravy when it's thick. There it is. I want it to get thick, a little bit thicker. Yeah, I want to thicken some more, so there it is, simmering down in the pot. Yeah, gravy simmering down in the pot. Yeah, so this is my chicken. Yeah, well cooked. There it is, well brown and well cooked. Yeah, and ready to eat. There it is, my baked chicken. Well cooked. There it is, guys. There it is, my baked roast chicken. Yeah, there it is, well cooked. And there's my gravy simmering down. This is my rice that I'm going to eat with it. It's almost ready, but it wants to steam down some more. Yeah, there's my rice steaming down. Yeah, so all I do, it's steaming down now. I just mix it around in the pot. Yeah, that's it. Get to the steam gets to spread all around, so the rice will cook. Very good and delicious. Yeah. So there it is, my rice. So it's steaming down now. So I'm going to put on back the cover on it so that it can finish cooking. My gravy is almost ready. Yeah. And there again is my cooked chicken. Yeah, well cooked and brown and beautiful. So guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious videos like these. Remember to turn on your post notification. Thank you all who have supported me and subscribed to my channel. Please guys, give my video a little support and subscribe to my channel. If you're watching my video now, please subscribe to my channel. I'm looking forward for more subscribers, and I appreciate the ones that have subscribed to my channel. So thank you. God bless you all. And next time I will go and eat, share up my dinner now for me and my family to eat. So there you have it guys. Yeah, my food is ready. My chicken is ready. There it is, very baked chicken. Yeah, well done. There it is. So guys, next time you can have a bite. Yeah, so next time guys, see you guys, love you, bye.